Here is my marble run. Let's give it a shot. So we just sent it down a pipe, and water is going to make it come all the way down here. This pipe was already built in, obviously. And there it goes. So that marble came all the way down here from all the way up there. So some challenges we had with this is we first started wanting to make it come down this staircase, but it wouldn't roll, it wouldn't have enough speed to get all the way down there. So we started it on this ramp and made it go down this ramp onto this. And the concrete is a little slanted, so gravity pulled it down to this ramp and into this pipe, which we put water in and sent it all the way out there. Another challenge we had was if we just kept it open like this, the ball would bounce off the cardboard and come out around this area. So we had to make a whole box around it so that it would just bounce off this cardboard and go straight into the hole. Thanks for watching my marble run.